tires.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would pay to see that.
Oh, this is that really route. Kids get excited like that route. Yesterday.
Does a burnout right then, kick a boom.
No. I don't know how. Nobody's ever showed me how. I said, don't worry about it, George. You probably could be mad anyway. You'd have rubber strung all the way up the side of the car.
Yeah.
So don't worry about it.
Put one foot on the brake, one on the gas.
Yeah, pretty much. You don't know all the rules.
Yeah, well, I stop at the light. I do. Better so like this. Better
I wasn't laughing so much about him riding
It was funny.
But
I mean, I have to
the
admit.
idea that he was persistent. He was going to play.
He is the most bullheaded, stubborn little kid.
My turn, Daddy, my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute, son.
He
Just a
has
minute.
zero
My turn, Daddy, my turn. That's
Wait,
what
you got it coming.
I was laughing.
You got it coming.
A whole lot of black marks.
Just like scoop. Don't just like, this like 3 or 4 month old stuff, not a month and a half.
Have you done a burnout yet?
My old motor clean. I buried myself down there in front of Alex.
Did you?
Yeah. The brakes suck on it. It needs another proportioning valve. The front brakes don't hold well enough, so it just pushes. And the motor's going pop, 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 pop. 5 minutes before 6, we have to put an alternator on.
What, on your A?
Yeah. Yeah. Did they tell you about the drive-in if you guys are going?
Yeah. 8:30.
Between 8:30 if you want to park up front.
Which color ticket do I need to use now?
We're gonna go make another pass. John hasn't ever got to ride in my car.
I haven't got to ride in your car either.
I gotta get video of this, man. You gotta launch it down at the stoplight. Take a picture of the.
Where you gonna do the burnout at?
Gotcha.
More water. Let's go pee on it. Launched it off the brake.
I like Mike.
Yeah. That all you got? Okay, Wooder's getting a little crazy down there.
That's awesome.
Popped a wheelie. Oh shit!
You're on video, bitch.
And you're another motherfucker. Oh, you almost had her.
They're starting to go.
Daddy must be driving.
He is.
He can reach the pedal. You got water in that bucket?
Yep.
Oh, sweet.
Down the way, down there by Tim Hunt's.
Did he?
Yeah. You leaving?
Don't run us over.
Take a video of this. Next time you see Wood, show up.
Hold on just a second. We gotta wait for Greg.
Alright, here he comes. It'll be alright. Oh, bitch, wow! Ow! Imagine getting George's car right down here. Oh!
He said it was loud.
Ain't no freaking kidding. That thing was ringing my ears.
Did you hear him hitting the limiter?
Yeah.
Bad Daddy had to show him how to drive.
Come on, Dad. It's not fair.
Launched a bit, Greg.
Ah, he did over there. He freaking took it off the brake. Come on, Greg. I thought he was going to do something spectacular.
I did too. So John was asking us to come down. That kind of hurt my ears. Where's my mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell? Wow.
That thing was loud.
It's kind of on the limiter a little bit.
Yeah, a little. That's why the limiter's there.
That thing locoed like crazy. Yeah. Good.
That's why
Good thing none of the windows on Main broke.
That was loud.
Yeah.
That motor's got cast pistons. Cast crank.
Okay. Keep that up as well. We're laying up there on the ground.
Yeah, I know it.
Who's ever going to the movie between now and 8:30, if you want a close, good parking spot,
Thank you.
now's the time to go.
No.
Did you get one
You
already?
got to, yeah.
You should have got one already.
Well, you get a ticket for the car.
Right, but there's
you
still a
gotta pay
$10.
$10 for the car load.
What if I get a discount for one too?
Now where are you gonna go?
Gonna have to teach Beauchamp how to do a John Force burnout.
Come on, Beauchamp! Beauchamp.
Is that John?
Yeah?
He did a better burnout than his dad.
You wanna help me out?
Yeah, you're good, Mom.
She'll be right back and we'll go. She'll be right back and we'll go.
Smokey and the Bandit.
We're gonna go in a minute. Hope I got enough fuel.
Oh, hell, you don't need fuel. Now Joe went and got the Nova.
He doesn't need it. He had the black car, the Mustang, and now the Nova. Yeah. I think he's got them shackles on the bottom bolt.
Yeah.
spring chickens.
Yeah, they are.
Those curled hens tail.
He used to have the whole thing teach Sorrel, put them